There goes. There's another diamond ring, and all those late night promises, I guess they don't mean a thing. So baby, what's the story? Did you find enough? Hi David, hi Mom. As people, hi Terry, people join. Happy Hump Day. Mike, happy Wednesday, everyone. Beautiful looking day outside. Much warmer than the past few days have been. Temperatures as of 3 o'clock, excuse me, running in the mid to upper 50s across the area. And it is a bit windy outside today. And that has been blowing around at least a little bit of tree pollen. If you've noticed, some of the trees are beginning to show their buds, and as a result, they're beginning to pollinate. So the allergy index today did have tree pollens in the moderate range, with everything else in the low range. And if you have seasonal allergies, at least I do, now's probably a good time to start taking your seasonal allergy medication, because things are probably going to really start to pop in the next couple of weeks. Hope you're having a great day. A couple of notes as we move on. I put out earlier today, it's National Walking Day, and I asked people to share pictures of how they were enjoying the sunshine today, and I did randomly select 3 folks that posted pictures of what they were doing this afternoon, and I promised them Chick-fil-A gift card, which I will announce after we get through the core of the weather information, so stick around for that. It'll be coming up at the end as we get through some of the information. Also, should mention, I have not yet seen a copy, but the City Paper is on newsstands now, wherever you pick up the City Paper. It's a free publication, so it doesn't cost anything. And it has the article that hit online yesterday, but that's the actual physical copy. I'm going to have to find myself a copy of the City Paper, but that is out. Also, for those of you that have voted for me for Best of the Berg Meteorologist, I appreciate it. And I'm told by some people that you can vote more than once. So if you're so inclined, I would certainly appreciate your vote. All right, let's get to the website today. And there you see it, my favorite, PittsburghWeatherNow.com. My weather fun fact of the day was, what is a fire whirl? So you can go to the website and you can check that out. I post a new one every day. Another fun fact will be up tomorrow morning, so check out the fun facts of the day. Let's go to our picture of the day. We head into the photo gallery page. We'll move down here. We have 3 categories: Pittsburgh, weather, and landscape photos. We'll go into the landscape photos and we'll give some shout out and love here to, this one looks like it's popping out of me. This is Rochelle Mason, and she posted this picture of a lovely daisy. So that is a sure sign of spring. And next to it, might as well, let's get here. This is courtesy of Lisa Crawford posting the picture of the sundial, which of course is getting its use today, at least in terms of being able to tell the time with the sun being outside. So that, or those, are your weather pictures of the day. Continue to send in your photos. We'll continue to populate the photo gallery at PittsburghWeatherNow.com, and I appreciate all of you that have sent in your photos. It has been uploaded with lots of new photos in the last couple of days, so check it out. Hello Uniontown, how you doing? Appreciate you checking in today. All right, let's get to some of the information I'm going to share with you. First off, when I posted the video, it was about, I don't know, 9 days or so ago, when I broke my shovel. There were some of you that said, it's going to snow, and I didn't say it wasn't going to snow again. I said you weren't going to have to shovel again. Boy, that's looking like a really, really good forecast now, because I'm not sure. I don't think you're going to have to shovel again this season. You won't need the shovel or the snow removal equipment until next winter. And as I said yesterday, I think it is possible, given the long-range outlook for the temperatures, that we may not see little, if any, snow again the rest of this season. So we may not see snow again maybe until sometime November or December. All right, let's get to the birthdays today. Eddie Murphy. You know Eddie Murphy, comedian, Mr. Robinson, or Mr. Robinson's Neighborhood on Saturday Night Live, and of course acted in many movies, among them Beverly Hills Cop, one of my all-time favorites, Axel Foley. He's 68 years old today, Eddie Murphy is. The Godfather celebrated his birthday today. Never go against the family. Never go against the family. Marlon Brando celebrated his birthday today. Actor Alec Baldwin celebrates a birthday today. Doris Day. I never saw any of her movies, but I am aware Doris Day was a very popular actress back in her day. She's still alive. She's celebrating 97 years today, so happy birthday to Doris Day. Singer Leona Lewis has a birthday today. Jeannie Garth, if you were a fan of 90210, she has a birthday today. Wayne Newton, who I believe has had a little bit of work done. He's 77 years old today. Tony Orlando of Tony Orlando and Dawn. Tie a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. He's 75 years old today. Sebastian Bach, the former lead singer of the band, it just escaped me, Skid Row. Boom. He was the lead singer of Skid Row. And finally, I knew who this dude was, but I didn't know his name, and I only knew because I used to be on in the background, The Young and the Restless. Eric Braeden is his name. He played Victor Newman. If you're a big soap opera fan, you know who I'm talking about. He's 78 years old today. As we talked about, today is National Walking Day. Boy, what a beautiful day to get out and celebrate. It's National Find a Rainbow Day. Good luck with that. Chocolate Mousse Day today. And it's also National Child Help National Day of Hope. And what that means is we're raising awareness and helping to fight to end child abuse. So it is Child Help National Day of Hope. And that's certainly a worthy acknowledgement and to be aware of to help fight and end child abuse. All right. That will do it for all the little announcements I like to make now that you have... Thank you, Kristen. That was my Marlon Brando. Should I continue to do a little more Marlon Brando? No, I won't. Tomorrow's Hug a News Person Day. Good to know, Joyce. Thank you. All right. Whoops. Let me do this. Let me bring up the maps that I want to bring up, and then we'll get started here. First off, the current temperature is 57 degrees, fair skies. That west wind coming in at 15 miles an hour with a steady barometric pressure. And we soon have an announcement about the gift card for Chick-fil-A Robinson. I have 3 names I've randomly selected, and I will announce them shortly. All right, here's a look at the map. And here's the way it's setting up right now. This is the current setup. We have high pressure sitting here, this boundary down to the south. Now this high is going to escape. It's going to move away, and this boundary is going to start to oscillate and move back north. Now it's a stationary front, so it's not going to get all the way through. It's just going to be kind of in the neighborhood the next couple of days. What that basically means is we'll have clouds, and we'll see the returning chance for some rain showers. I think primarily our best chance of rain is going to be Thursday night, and this is tomorrow morning. This is about 8 a.m. And you will note, first thing tomorrow morning, that boundary again, kind of shifting back north. We got a couple of boundaries kind of laid out across the area. So they're going to focus some moisture toward the area. I don't think it's raining tomorrow morning. I think it's just cloudy. I think as we get toward later in the day tomorrow, that's when we'll see that increasing opportunity for rain showers. And I have everything timed out for you, which I'll show you in a minute. This is about 6 o'clock Thursday evening. You'll notice a lot of this is filled in with green. It's going to be generally light rain that falls across the area, but there will be probably a steadier period of rain tomorrow night and early Friday as we just have this kind of log jam of boundaries across the area which focus moisture and energy across the area. Similar setup on Friday morning. You'll notice low pressure moves toward the area. This will be your period of steadier rain, so look for damp commute Friday morning. And then I do think this low will pass by and our opportunity for rain showers will be tapering off Friday afternoon and into Friday evening. Here's the setup I want to take you through on this map. This is Friday at about 1 o'clock, noon, 1 o'clock. You can still see green across our area, indicating the likelihood we'll still be seeing some light rain, but with the passage of the front, I'm going to move ahead 6 hours, which would take us up through about 6 o'clock on Friday. And you'll notice at that point, not so much. The rain should be tapering off and coming to an end. So it looks like heading into the weekend, it will be dry, and we'll move ahead to Saturday morning. I want to show you this. This circle here, right here, indicates high pressure. Not an especially strong area of high pressure, but strong enough that we will have a dry day on Saturday, and temperatures are going to be warming up nicely. I want to move ahead to Sunday. If you have plans for the weekend, come on, there you go. This is Sunday morning. This is about 6, 7 a.m. You'll notice it's still dry here, but here's your next weather system back across the Midwest. That will move toward the area, and as we move ahead toward later in the day on Sunday, this is about 6 p.m. You'll notice some light rain showers across the area, so I do think Sunday starts off dry, and then we'll see at least a few showers arriving probably sometime after 2 or 3 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. So all that said, here's your rain chances timing so you can plan accordingly if you have activities the next couple of days. Tomorrow, I think the best rain chance will come after 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I think we could get into a period of some steadier rain, generally light though, tomorrow night and into Friday. I think most of the rain is before 2 o'clock in the afternoon. After 2 o'clock on Friday, the rain showers will be tapering off and coming to an end. So if you have tickets for the Pirates game Friday night, I think a game is going to be played, and I think Saturday is going to be fine. I think most of the games Sunday will be fine as well, with the rain arriving probably after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So there could be some light rain on toward the end of the game on Sunday. And I have a little bit of a breakdown here. If you're headed to the Pirates game the next 4 days, the games are likely could be impacted by at least some wet weather. Of course, tonight it won't be. If you're going tonight, you are in good shape. So here's our whiteboard for today. Boy, that quote of the day certainly applies to what I do. Keep it simple. A man, a whiteboard, and a forecast. Also some colorful markers. Big shout out to my friends at Chick-fil-A Robinson for sponsoring Whiteboard Weather. Your sunrise and sunset times, want to draw attention there because the sunrise tomorrow morning occurs before 7 a.m. We're now on the early side of 7 a.m. As we get into Thursday and Friday, the rain total after 6 o'clock tomorrow and through 3 p.m. Friday should be around ½ an inch, so not enough to create any flooding concerns. If you're going to any of the next several Pirates games, I think tomorrow evening could be impacted by rain. I think the rain is pretty much gone by Friday, so I think that's good. Saturday's a 1:35 game, you're good. Sunday, it'll start on time as the game wears on, probably after, we'll say the 5th or 6th inning, you could see some light rain showers arriving or impacting, but that's kind of your breakdown if you're headed to the Pirates games. Tonight, clouds will be increasing, 38 the low temperature. Those breezy, gusty winds out there right now will be diminishing. Tomorrow, 54 degrees, a cloudy day. I think nothing more than a passing afternoon shower, and then showers become more numerous and widespread tomorrow night. So rainy, mild. Thursday night, 46, and plan on a damp commute Friday morning. Showers mainly before about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at the temperature warming up though, 60 degrees, and then it stays overcast Friday night. Saturday, 64. Hello, this is the better of the 2 weekend days. There's no rain Saturday. Could be some clouds in the morning, but afternoon sunshine. And then Sunday, 72 degrees. We could sneak in a couple hours of sunshine in the morning. I think it's generally going to be, though, fairly cloudy through the afternoon. The shower chance will be after about 2 p.m. And then I think there's a few showers possible Monday, but 70 degrees. So you could see we should be 70 or better Sunday and on into Monday. And when you factor in a little sun, a little rain, that's probably really going to get a lot of things starting to pop with regards to some of the bushes and other things. Again, I told you trees, at least in my neighborhood, are budding and starting to push those buds out. So the allergy index, which I'm going to try and post pretty regularly, is going to start to see more or higher levels of grass and weed pollens in addition to the tree pollens. Now, let me turn the music down. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm back. I wish I had a drum roll because I have the names of the folks that are getting Chick-fil-A gift cards from my fine friends at Chick-fil-A Robinson, and this is the card you're going to get. Your choice of a chicken sandwich meal or Chick-fil-A nuggets meal. I guess that would include a waffle, fries, and a drink from the good folks at Chick-fil-A Robinson. These are the people who have won. I will tell you, to collect your prize, you will have to go to Chick-fil-A Robinson. They'll be available starting on Friday and have ID so you can claim your prize. But they will be available starting Friday. The winners who posted pictures as they were out and about today: Krista Bernauer, B-E-R-N-A-U-R. She had a nice photo of herself and her daughter at the Pittsburgh Zoo this morning or this afternoon. Heather Jones, who took a walk on the North Shore River Walk today to celebrate National Walking Day. And also Samantha Shook, S-H-O-O-K, who had a picture with her pooch as they were out on a walk. So again, the gift card winners from Chick-fil-A: Krista Bernauer, Heather Jones, and Samantha Shook. Please claim your Chick-fil-A gift card at Chick-fil-A in Robinson starting Friday. And you can enjoy at least a chicken sandwich or some nuggets, compliments of Chick-fil-A Robinson, and of course, WhiteBoard weather. I wish I could give gift cards to everybody. I love giving stuff away, but we will have more giveaways in the days and weeks ahead for sure. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate you all today. Please, 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 please share WhiteBoard weather with your Facebook friends. We want to continue to grow it and get it out there. And it's because of you that we continue to get bigger, that we continue to get better, and we continue to get stronger. Thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the sunshine because, again, it goes away tomorrow. More clouds and the opportunity for rain showers returning, but we will have some milder temperatures. I think it's almost getting time to transition our closets back over to spring and summer clothing. So there you go. All right, that's going to do it for today. Have yourself a great rest of the day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.